Hi, I'm Richa, founder of Good Food for Good. Today, I'm here with our giving partners, Akshaya Patra Foundation, to see how they operate their kitchens and give to the community. So follow along. We are here at a school, one of the schools that Akshaya Patra donates to. So come along with me, let's see what kids think about Akshaya Patra. At the school where Akshaya Patra donates meal kits, but because of COVID we can't donate fresh cooked meals, so we are donating this kit which has food for them for 3 months.